Australia is a land where the ordinary brushes shoulders with the extraordinary. Here, the air hums with secrets, each grain of sand and ripple in the ocean whispering tales of the unusual and the undiscovered. This continent is not just a home to kangaroos and koalas, but a treasure trove of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Moray Man. In the remote expanse of South Australia, a mystery etched into the earth captures our curiosity. The Moray Man, a colossal figure carved into the ground, stretches over 4 kilometers, making it one of the largest geoglyphs ever discovered. Unveiled in 1998 by a surprised pilot, this artwork depicts an indigenous hunter poised with a stick, or boomerang. Its sheer size and precision spark a whirlwind of questions. Who created this immense figure, and how did they achieve such a feat unnoticed? No one has stepped forward to claim this creation, and its purpose remains shrouded in secrecy. Located near the prohibited Woomera area, its existence is a puzzle that challenges both scientists and enthusiasts. Number 2. Venomous cone snails. In the vibrant waters of the Great Barrier Reef, a small creature holds a secret that's both fascinating and fearsome. The venomous cone snail, with its beautifully patterned shell, might look like a harmless addition to the ocean floor, but don't let its appearance fool you. These snails are equipped with a potent venom, a complex cocktail of toxins that can be deadly to their prey, and to humans. The cone snail uses a harpoon-like tooth to inject venom into its target. This venom is so powerful that it can cause serious symptoms in humans, including intense pain, numbness, and, in severe cases, respiratory paralysis. What's remarkable is the medical interest this venom has sparked. Researchers are studying its unique properties for potential use in developing new painkillers. So, while the cone snail might be a small creature in the vast ocean, its impact could be far-reaching, offering insights into both the dangers and possibilities hidden beneath the waves. Number 3. First true millipede with over 1,000 legs. Deep underground in Australia's eastern goldfields, a discovery has redefined the term millipede. For the first time, scientists have found a true millipede, one that lives up to its name with over 1,000 legs. This creature, unearthed in a mining area, boasts an astonishing 1,306 legs, more than any other animal known to science. It's a small, thread-like creature, measuring just about 0.95 inches in length, but its leg count is a record breaker. This millipede's discovery now challenges our understanding of the limits of animal physiology and evolution. Number 4. Gympie tree. In the rainforest of Australia grows a plant with a sting so severe it's etched in local folklore as the gympie tree. This isn't your average tree. It's a plant with a defense mechanism so intense it can inflict pain lasting for years. The gympie tree, also known as the stinging brush, is covered in fine hairs that, upon contact, deliver a toxin capable of causing extreme, long-lasting agony. Tales of encounters with this plant are not for the faint-hearted, with reports of excruciating pain, swelling, and an enduring itch that can persist for months or even years. The toxin remains potent even on dried specimens, and there's no known antidote. Number 5. First hybrid sharks discovered near Australia. Off the coast of Australia, scientists have made a groundbreaking discovery in the world of marine biology: the first known hybrid sharks. In a surprising twist, 57 individual sharks were identified as hybrids of 2 different species, the common blacktip shark and the Australian blacktip shark. This revelation is not just fascinating, it's a significant insight into how species can adapt and evolve. The discovery of these hybrid sharks suggests they might be responding to environmental changes. By blending the characteristics of both parent species, these hybrids could have a greater chance of survival in different water temperatures. This finding is a real-life example of nature's incredible ability to adapt and thrive in changing conditions. Number 6. Rediscovery of a unique insect on Lord Howe Island. On Lord Howe Island, a small speck in the vast Pacific Ocean, a remarkable discovery has been made. A unique insect, the Lord Howe Island stick insect, thought to be extinct for over 80 years, was found alive. This large flightless insect, also known as the tree lobster, was believed to have been wiped out in the 1920s after rats were introduced to the island. However, in a twist of fate, a small population was discovered clinging to existence on a rocky islet nearby. This rediscovery is more than just a stroke of luck. It's a beacon of hope for conservationists. The Lord Howe Island stick insect is a living relic, a survivor against incredible odds. Efforts are now underway to protect and possibly reintroduce this species back to its native habitat. Number 7. Largest plant on Earth. In the shallow sunlit waters of Shark Bay, Western Australia, scientists have stumbled upon a botanical giant. The largest known plant on Earth, a single seagrass, Posidonia australis, has been discovered sprawling across an astonishing 180 kilometers. This isn't just a cluster of plants. It's one massive, interconnected organism estimated to be at least 400 to 500 years old. The sheer scale of this plant is hard to grasp, stretching further than some cities, all from what likely started as a single seedling. What's fascinating about this discovery is not just its size, but what it tells us about survival and adaptation. This seagrass has thrived in varying conditions, subtly altering its genetic makeup across its vast expanse to adapt to local environments. It's a living example of nature's incredible resilience and ability to endure through millennia. Number 8. Deep-sea creatures. Australian scientists aboard the research vessel RV Investigator embarked on a 35-day deep-sea expedition near Christmas Island and the Cocos Islands, uncovering a treasure trove of bizarre and previously unseen deep-sea creatures. This journey into the abyss, more than 5,500 meters below the surface, was filled with discoveries ranging from the adorable to the downright terrifying. They encountered creatures like the deep-sea batfish, which looked like a round dumpling with human-like ease, and the Bathysaurus mollusc, a creature with sharp fangs and translucent skin, resembling a monster from a nightmare. The team's findings, possibly including a third of marine species new to science, highlight the vast unknowns of oceanic life. They used a multi-beam echo sounder to map the ocean floor and documented their encounters with various sea creatures. Among their discoveries were the tripod spiderfish, with its long, spindly fins allowing it to hover above the ocean floor, and a hermit crab using soft corals as its shell. Number 9. Submerged archaeological sites. Beneath the waves along Australia's continental shelf, a team led by Professor Jonathan Benjamin from Flinders University has uncovered something extraordinary. They found submerged archaeological sites that are around 7,000 years old. These sites were once home to Aboriginal people back when sea levels were much lower. This discovery is a game changer. It suggests that many more artifacts and historical landscapes, now hidden under the ocean, could tell us untold stories about Australia's Indigenous history. At one of these sites, Cape Bruguiere Channel, the team found 269 stone artifacts. These tools, lying about 8 feet underwater, are not just old rocks. They're a window into the past, some dating back 7,000 years. Among them is a grindstone, likely used for processing seeds. This finding is crucial. It reveals that the offshore activities of Aboriginal Australians were more complex and diverse than previously thought. It's not just about finding old objects. It's about piecing together a richer, more complete picture of Australia's ancient inhabitants. Number 10. Giant gecko discovery. In the remote and wild landscapes of Scaffell Island, part of the Great Barrier Reef, Dr. Conrad Hoskin from James Cook University made an exciting discovery. He found a new species of gecko, the Philurus fimbriatus, which stands out for its unique appearance. This gecko is not just another reptile, it's a giant, with a distinctive spiny, leaf-shaped tail. This discovery is significant as it adds to the known biodiversity of Queensland's Great Barrier Reef Islands, an area already renowned for its rich and varied wildlife. Number 11. Spooky object in space. In the vastness of space, Australian scientists stumbled upon a truly unusual phenomenon. They discovered a new type of beam, one of the brightest radio sources in the sky, that intriguingly switches on and off every 20 minutes. This discovery, made using the Murchison Wide Field Array in Western Australia, challenges our understanding of celestial objects. Typically, space transients like pulsars flash in milliseconds or seconds, and supernovas appear for a few days before vanishing. But this object, located about 4,000 light-years away in our galactic backyard, defies these norms with its unique 20-minute cycle. The leading theory suggests this object could be an ultra-long period magnetar, a type of slowly spinning neutron star, which has been predicted but never observed before. Alternatively, it might be a white dwarf pulsar, although this is considered highly unlikely. Number 12. Giant four-legged kangaroos. In the highlands of Papua New Guinea, a recent discovery has turned our understanding of kangaroos on its head. Scientists have found evidence of giant kangaroos that roam the area. But here's the twist. These were not your typical two-legged hoppers. These ancient kangaroos, believed to have existed as recently as 20,000 years ago, moved on all fours. This finding challenges the common image of kangaroos and adds a fascinating chapter to the story of these iconic Australian animals. The discovery came from a study that suggests these four-legged giants may have survived much longer in the Papua New Guinea highlands than their Australian counterparts. The reason? Human interaction in these regions was minimal until after 20,000 years ago. The giant four-legged kangaroos are a testament to the surprises that nature still has in store for us. Now, which of these discoveries did you find most fascinating? And what other terrifying discoveries do you know about that have been made in Australia? Comment below, and please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one.